Should you buy life insurance or just invest your money? Actually, bakit mo kailangan mamili? Why not do both? Think of it this way. Investing is your offense. You invest your money because you want it to grow. You're building wealth, preparing for retirement, and working towards your financial goals. Pero kahit gaano pa kaganda ang offense mo, kailangan mo pa rin ng defense. That's where life insurance comes in. Life insurance is there to help protect the financial plan you're building, especially if something unexpected happens to you. Kasi imagine this, you're consistently investing for the next 20 years, tapos suddenly, may nangyari sa'yo. Who continues the financial gain for your family? That's why I believe it's not really insurance or investment. It should be insurance and investment. Investment builds your wealth. Insurance protects the people and financial goals that matter to you. So habang nag-invest ka for the future, make sure na protected din ang future na pinag-investan mo. So, offense plus defense, it's a stronger financial game plan. Ikaw, currently investing ka na ba? Or may life insurance ka na rin? Just comment the plan below and let's talk.